Hello everybody. Here I have Yeasu FT-818, which is the latest version of this small little radio, and this is the video about the output power produced from this radio. I have here the mass SVR and power meter RS402, and radio is currently tuned for 2 meters, 145 megahertz. Right, so the power setting is set for maximum level, and I'm operating from the battery 12 volt normal battery acid gel. Here is the power meter. Currently it's set for 5 watts. So 5 watts it's presented on the bottom of the screen. So let's check. It's more than 5 watts, definitely. So I can switch to 20 watt scale. The 20 watt scale, it's the second line from the bottom, so 0 up to 20, right? So let's check it out. Okay, you can see it's 7 watts of output power. Regarding the SVR, it's shown as 3 dots, let's say. I can also measure the SVR. Okay, tuned. It's a 1.2 barely. Yeah, so it's a really low SVR. Okay, let's check it out once again. As you can see, it's 7 watts of, let's focus, 7 watts of output power. Okay, I forgot to mention that antenna is yagi antenna in 10 meters above the ground on my stick outside, and I just tuned the radio for 144 megahertz, which is frequency pretty close to SSP operation. So let's check it out. What is the output power, because the antenna is tuned for 144.200, right? So it should be a little bit more power. Okay, so again, I have the 20 watts of scale range, let's say, and here is the output of Yeasu 818. It's a little bit more than 7 watts, right? Here it is. Okay, that's it. Regarding the SVR, 2 dots, right? So let's calibrate. As you can see, it's I have to measure that. A little bit adjustment, okay. And here I will switch to SVR, and here we have 1.1. It's really close to absolutely ideal SVR of the antenna. Okay, that's all from my side. Have a nice day all. Bye.